Strawberry Pocky Cake is the ultimate cake and the easiest you will ever make. A double-layered cake filled with a thick layer of strawberry buttercream and strawberry jam in the centre, surrounded with a sweet boundary of strawberry chocolate-coated Pocky Sticks, and in the centre, dressed with chocolate mini roses. Cooking Company will take you one step at a time to make this gorgeous strawberry Pocky Cake. Just get some white chocolate buttons and melt those, some strawberry flavoured Pocky Sticks, and we're going to pour the white chocolate over the Pocky Sticks. It's as easy as that, folks. We're using a food piping bag to do that to create a beautiful pattern. Now, while we set those aside, we get our vanilla cake. It could be pre-made from the shop, or you could make it earlier. We're going to cut it into 4 sections, and then we're going to add our filling. It's strawberry buttercream, which we've also prepared earlier, and some strawberry jam. Yummy. My favourite. We're going to smooth this evenly over the top, and we're going to do this with each layer. It's very, very simple, and it does not take long at all. By doing this, you can make a very simple vanilla cake into a really exciting party cake. We're going to coat the whole thing in buttercream icing so it's lovely and pink. Now, here come our Pocky Sticks. We're going to stick them all around the edge. Absolutely beautiful and so simple. Look at that. Next, we get our chocolate roses made with white chocolate and food colouring. Cover the top of the cake. Now for our finishing touch, we'll add a ribbon around the edge. How glamorous! Did you know that Pocky Sticks have been around since 1966? First invented in Japan. With just a few simple ingredients, we made this stunning party delight. Some chocolate, cream, jam, and vanilla cake. And don't forget the Pocky Sticks!